Just got your Galaxy Tab A9 or A9 Plus? Let's get it set up real quick. After press and hold your power button to turn it on, you will see a welcome screen on your Samsung Galaxy Tab. This means you are ready to get started. And from this page, make sure you choose the correct language and then tap Start. Now you will see the term and conditions. Just shake Agree to all and tap Agree to move on. You will get a choice to set it up using another device like another Galaxy, Android or iPhone, but I'm going to set up manually, so let's tap that. Now connect to Wi-Fi, just pick your network and enter the password. Once it connects, your tablet might take few times. It's totally normal. Now you will see an option to copy apps and data from an old device. You can do that now or just keep it and start fresh. Now time to sign in with your Google account or skip it. But I have to sign in with my Google account, so I enter my email and password. Now it will verify your account by sending a verification code to your Gmail. After that, you might see some prompts from Google service. Just scroll down and accept. Now for extra security, go ahead and you have to set a screen lock. You will see some settings that you can either set. After set it up, confirm it, and now let's sign into your Samsung account. You can use your email or phone number, or if you have got another Samsung device, you can sign in by that. So this steps is mandatory. So I choose email and entered my existing address and password, then tapped sign in. After that, I had to accept the terms and conditions again, and a two-step verification code was sent to my connected Galaxy device. So I entered the code and hit verify. Lastly, you will see a prompt from Samsung services. Just agree to the permissions to continue. Now pick your display style. It can be light or dark mode, whichever you like. You can customize it later too. You can download a few or skip them. Now just hit next, then finish, and that's it. Your Galaxy Tab A9 or A9 Plus is ready to roll. Super simple, right? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.